chord spacing. Between 1 and 2 is A, between 2 and 3 is B, and between 3 and 4 is C. A, B, C. This is the Baby Phoenix. I was inspired by my baby bro. You would know him as Pinoy Paracord 21 or Benedict. Great guy. He's always been an inspiration for me. So it's an easy, really sweet knot. And you know what? Enjoy it. Have fun. Okay, this is the Baby Phoenix. For this type of setup, I'm going down A and through C. So let's start. We're going to grab our right chord. We're going to go down C. You're going to go all the way to the left. And you're going to come out on the left side. You're going to loop around. And you're going to come down through C again. And then you're going to pull from here if you want a tight knot. Okay, so we pull, and then you pull the slack. It's our first one. It's not going to look pretty. It's going to get pretty later. All right, with our left knot, or with our left chord, we're going to go down A. We're going to go all the way through the right. We're going to come out, and we're going to go down on the inside part of the knot again, down A. And then once again, we're going to pull on the right side of the knot. Push it up, and then pull the slack. Let's keep doing it. All right, we're going to grab the right chord. We're going to come down C, all the way to the left. We're going to come around, and we're going to go down on the inside part of the knot, down C, and once again, we're going to pull on this side. And then we pull the slack. Okay, we're going to grab our left chord. We're going to go down A, all the way to the right. It's a very easy knot, which is great. And it's very comfortable. I'm going to go around, and then we're going to go down A again. And then I'm just going to pull on the other side, tighten it up pretty good, and pull the slack. Let's do a couple more. I'm going to speed this part, but I'm going to show you. Okay, take it to the end and have fun.